Hello everyone, welcome back. And if you are new, then subscribe Amending Oneself. In this video, I am going to conduct an online quiz from chapter 6 Life Processes class 10. Here I have asked 20 multiple choice questions from this chapter. Okay, but before we begin the quiz, let's look into the instruction. Here are some instructions that you have to follow. Take a notebook or any blank piece of paper and pen or pencil, because you have to note down correct answer in that particular piece of paper or a book. I have given 1 minute for each question. It means 60 seconds for each question, and timer will be shown here. Right? This is a timer will be shown there in every questions. Each questions carry 1 mark, means 20 question and 20 mark. I wish you all the best and try to give your level best. The first question: pyruvate is the end product of blank. I repeat the question: pyruvate is end product of blank. Option A, glycolysis. Option B, fermentation. Option C, lactic acid formation. And option D, all of these. I repeat the question: pyruvate is end product of. Option A, glycolysis. Option B, fermentation. Option C, lactic acid formation. And option D, all of these. Read the question again and again, twice or thrice, because question is very tricky. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Question number second: the enzymes contained in pancreatic juices helps in the digestion of blank. Option A, fats and carbohydrates. Option B, protein and carbohydrates. Option C, protein, fats and carbohydrates. And option D, protein and fats. I repeat the options. Option A, fats and carbohydrates. Option B, proteins and carbohydrates. Option C, proteins, fats and carbohydrates. Or option D, protein and fats. You have to select any of these. Pancreatic juices. Question number second: the enzyme contained in pancreatic juices helps in the digestion of following. Time's up. The next question. Question number 3: which of the following will help in protecting the inner lining of the stomach from the harmful effect of HCl, which means hydrochloric acid? Option A, mucus. Option B, pepsin. Option C, trypsin. Option D, bile. I repeat the options. Option A, mucus. Option B, pepsin. Option C, trypsin. Or option D, bile. I repeat the question again. Which of the following help in protecting the inner lining of the stomach from the harmful effect of HCl, hydrochloric acid? 4 options, very easy question, you have to answer. Tick on. Time's up. The next question, question number 4. Sometimes we get painful cramps in our leg muscles after running for a long time due to the accumulation of blank. Option A, hydrochloric acid. Option B, fat. Option C, carbon dioxide. Or option D, lactic acid. I repeat the questions. Sometimes we get painful cramps in our leg muscles after running for a long time due to the accumulation of. Option A, hydrochloric acid. Option B, fat. Option C, carbon dioxide. Or option D, lactic acid. Very easy question, just think twice before the answer. Before you answer, sorry. Time's up. Question number 5. The vein which brings blood from the lungs into the heart is known as. I repeat the question. The vein which brings blood from the lungs into the heart is known as A. Pulmonary vein, B. Hepatic vein, C. Superior vena cava, and D. Pulmonary artery. I repeat options again. Option A, pulmonary vein. Option B, hepatic vein. Option C, superior vena cava, or option D, pulmonary artery. I repeat the question again. The vein which brings blood from the lungs into the heart is known as. Time's up. Question number 6. The transport of food from the leaves to the other parts of the plant takes place through the phloem. The process is called blank. Option A, translocation. Option B, transpiration. Option C, transportation, or option D, excretion. I repeat the question. Transport of food from the I have mistaken the question. Transport of food. Okay, transport of food from the leaves to the other parts of plant takes place through the phloem. It is called. I have mistaken the question, but please don't mind. There is a food. Okay. Option A, translocation. B, transpiration, transportation, or excretion. The excretory unit of the human excretory system is known as blank. Option A, nephridia. Option B, neuron. Option C, nephron, or option D, kidneys. I repeat the options. Option A, nephridia. Option B, neuron. Option C, nephron, or option D, kidneys. Nephridia, neuron, nephron, or kidneys. Time's up. Question number 8. During respiration, exchange of gases takes place in blank. Option A, trachea and larynx. Option B, alveoli of lungs. Option C, alveoli and throat. And option D, throat and larynx. I repeat the options. Trachea and larynx. B, alveoli of lungs. C, alveoli and throat. D, throat and larynx. I repeat the question. Question number 8. During respiration, exchange of gases takes place in. Listen to the question carefully, or read the question very carefully. Then try to answer. Very easy question, but think twice before writing down the answer. Time's up. Question number 9. Choose the event that does not occur in photosynthesis. I repeat the question. Choose the event that does not occur in photosynthesis. Option A, absorption of light energy by chlorophyll. Option B, reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrate. Option C, oxidation of carbon to carbon dioxide. Option D, conversion of light energy to chemical energy. Simple question, easy question. I repeat the options. Option A, light energy by chlorophyll, absorption of light energy by chlorophyll. Option B, reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrate. C, oxidation of carbon to carbon dioxide. Or D, conversion of light energy to chemical energy. Time is going to up. It is. Question number 10. Which is the first enzyme to mix with food in the digestive tract? Easy question. Which is the first enzyme to mix with the food in the digestive tract? Option A, pepsin. Option B, cellulase. Option C, amylase. Or option D, trypsin. I repeat the options. Option A, pepsin. Option B, cellulase. Option C, amylase. Or option D, trypsin. 10 seconds left. I repeat the question. Which is the first enzyme to mix with the food in the digestive tract? The first enzyme that mix with the food. 4 option, easy question, easy answer. Time's up. Question number 11. Pulmonary arteries carries blank. Okay, carries का spelling mistake है, sorry again. Oxygenated blood, option A. Option B, deoxygenated blood. Option C, mixed blood. Option D, it does not carries blood. This is the correct spelling, carries. Pulmonary artery carries oxygenated blood. B, deoxygenated blood. C, mixed blood. Or D, it does not carries blood. Read the question again and then answer. Time's up. Question number 12. The chlorophyll in photosynthesis is used for option A, absorption of absorbing light. Option B, breaking down water molecule. Option C, no function. Or option D, reduction of CO2. I repeat the options. Absorbing light. B, breaking down water molecule. C, no function. Or D, reduction of CO2. The question is, the chlorophyll in photosynthesis is used for what? 4 options, easy answer, easy question. Ten seconds left. Absorbing light, option A. Option B, breaking down water molecule. Option C, no function at all. Or option D, reduction of carbon dioxide. Question number 13. Protein after digestion are converted into, I repeat the question, protein after digestion are converted into option A, carbohydrates. Option B, small globules. Option C, amino acids. Or D, starch. I repeat the options. Option A, carbohydrates. Option B, small globules. Option C, amino acids. Or option D, starch. I repeat the question again. Protein after digestion are converted into. Again, easy question and direct answer. Remembering or knowledge based question. Time's up. Question number 14. Carbohydrates in the plants are stored in the form of what? Blank. Option A, glycogen. Option B, starch. Option C, glucose. Or option D, maltose. I repeat the question. Carbohydrates in the plants are stored in the form of option A, glycogen. Option B, starch. Option C, glucose. Or option D, maltose. Enough time to answer the question. Carbohydrates in the plants are stored in the form of what? 4 option, direct answer. Time's up. Question number 15. Main site of photosynthesis is leaf, stem, chloroplast or guard cell. Option A, leaf. Option B, stem. Option C, chloroplast. Or option D, guard cell. Very easy question. Main site of photosynthesis is. Select from the options. And meanwhile, comment in the comment box how was the level of test. Okay, it is advanced, intermediate or easy. You can comment with your name. Time's up. Question number 16. Respiratory pigment in human body is. Respiratory pigment in human body is option A chlorophyll, option B water, option C blood, or option D hemoglobin. 4 options, easy question and easy answer. I repeat the question again. Respiratory pigment in human body is option A chlorophyll, option B water, option C blood, or option D hemoglobin. Enough time is there, still you can answer. Do like and share with your friends. This quiz is gonna be very easy for you, right? Compete with your friend. Question number 17. Lipase acts on option A amino acids, B fats, option C carbohydrates, or option D all of these. I repeat the question again. Lipase acts on option A amino acid, option B fats, option C carbohydrate, or option D all of these. And also comment most difficult question from these 20 questions if you do have time. Okay, then no need to comment if you do not have time. Question number 18. Bile juice is secreted by option A stomach, option B pancreas, option C small intestine, or option D liver. I repeat the question. Bile juice is secreted by option A stomach, option B pancreas, or option C small intestine, or option D liver. Simple question, easy question. Two more questions are remaining. Quiz is going to end. Still you have chance to get 20 out of 20. Question number 19. Which element is used in the synthesis of protein? I repeat the question. Which element is used in the synthesis of proteins? Option A hydrogen, option B oxygen, option C nitrogen, or option D carbon dioxide. I repeat the option. Option A hydrogen, option B oxygen, option C nitrogen, or option D carbon dioxide. This question is from I think class 7 I guess. Two, three, go. Question number 20 sorry. Last question. Photosynthesis is a blank process. Option A catabolic process, option B parabolic process, option C amphibolic process, or D photochemical process. I repeat the question. Question 20. Photosynthesis is a option A catabolic process, option B parabolic process, option C amphibolic process, or option D photochemical process. I thank you very much for the watching guys, and your answer key will be available in the comment box as well as in the description after 30 minutes of completion of this quiz. Okay, till then stay tuned and I hope you like it, and if you like it then do like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.